Hello, I'm Luana from help2type. Do you own a help2type keyboard and want to use a different layout than Swiss German? That is now possible. We have developed 6 additional languages: English US, Spanish, French, German, Czech, and Italian. I will explain 3 different options on how to get the new software onto your keyboard. First, you can download the software from the comfort of your home. Our easy-to-follow tutorial will guide you step by step through the entire process. Note that the required app only works on an Android device and is not accessible. Follow the tutorial in the next video. Second, please send the keyboard back to us so that we can do the update for you. You can book the corresponding service in our online shop. Thirdly, our distributors are at your service. You can find the list on our website. Have fun with the new languages!